Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Skin Tips by Sephora. You're going to be happy with yourself that you came to this channel. So today we are going to be discussing something very interesting and absolutely important for you that are into the skincare thing. Also, remember to subscribe so you do not miss out on some 7 skincare tips. Today we are going to be talking about 5 common mistakes that I see every single time with my clients and other people that are repeating the same mistakes. So first of all, we are going to be talking about overwashing the face. I know everybody say cleanse the face, keep the face clean before you take in any other product into the face. But do you know that you can overwash your face? Yes. And when once you overwash your face, you are dancing into the damaged skin barrier thing. Yes. So when you wash your face, that tightness, that dry skin you get after washing your face, it's damaged. So you need to reduce the way you wash your face to maximum of 2 times in a day. And the second one is to make sure that you are using a gentle cleanser. Use gentle cleansers to wash your face, especially if you're acne prone or your skin is sensitive. Please use gentle cleansers. So the second common mistake is skipping moisturizer. Yes. But once I recommend moisturizer, someone will be like, oh, I have oily skin, I'm not supposed to use moisturizer. Hello darling, moisturizer is for everybody. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or combination skin, please do not skip moisturizer for any reason. So if your skin is oily and then you feel you're not supposed to use moisturizer, there are a lot of moisturizers for different skin types. I always tell people that skincare products are formulated for skin types and skin concerns. So now, if you have oily skin, you should be going for lightweight moisturizers, lightweight moisturizers, moisturizers that are oil free. So if you have oily skin, go for lightweight moisturizers, go for oil free moisturizers. But if you have dry skin, go for moisturizers that are in gel base. Then another thing is to be consistent with your moisturizer. Consistent moisture equates less shine and better skin texture. Yes, the more you moisturize your skin, the better your skin texture. So it's just like the more you hydrate from within. If you drink water a lot, your skin texture is going to be very fine. There's no two ways about it. So you make sure you are hydrated both from the outside and from within. So you drink enough water and hydrate your skin. Another common mistake I see is using too many actives at once in a routine. You're seeing so many actives in someone's routine, and my head will be like, what is going on here? Because even your skin will be trying so hard to understand what is coming into the skin. So do not overload your skin cells with so many actives. So now, if you are using salicylic acid, retinol, glycolic acid, a lot of active in one routine can also damage your skin barrier. So using too many active at once is one of the common mistakes. So what can you do to help yourself? First, keep your skincare routine as simple as possible. Keep it very simple. If you're using actives, let it be at most 1 to 2 active ingredients is very okay. So if you're using retinol, if you're doing retinol treatment in the night, your night routine, skip like 3 days before you bring in another active, or 2 days before you bring in another active. So just alternate the days. Don't just Monday you're using retinol, Tuesday you're using retinol, Wednesday you're using retinol. No, it's going to do what? Damage your skin barrier. Then another way you can also help, very important, when you are introducing a new active ingredient to your skincare routine, please remember to do what? Patch tests. Do a patch test. Use very small portion of it and try on a part of your skin and see how your skin will react. You know what? Our skin communicates with us. Yeah, another common mistake is not wearing sunscreen. I do hear a lot of people say, I don't go out, I work from the house, so I don't need sunscreen. Sorry, my love. Sun radiation can penetrate your windows, can penetrate your walls, and they'll still get to you. So everybody needs sunscreen, whether you go outside or you do not go outside. What differs between you that is outside and the person that is not outside is the time that you reapply the sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen can also affect your hyperpigmentation. Have you ever asked yourself, why is my hyperpigmentation not going? I have used Kojivite, I have used Triluma, I have used Tiam, all the annual, all the popular depigmenting serums, and this pigmentation is not still going. Have you asked yourself that? Are you using sunscreen? So once you skip sunscreen, be prepared that your hyperpigmentation will not fade off fast like that. So sunscreen is a must for everybody. While your skin is as pigmented as charcoal, you still need sunscreen. So now, how are you going to fix this? Wear broad spectrum sunscreen. SPF 30 and above is very good. So you go with sunscreen that have broad spectrum. Then reapplication. But people will apply their sunscreen in the morning when they go out, and they'll never reapply again till they come back to wherever they went to. So you are supposed to reapply sunscreen, yes. So depending on your SPF, so if you are outdoors, you're supposed to reapply your sunscreen 2 to 3 hours reapplication, yes. Then choosing sunscreen, choose sunscreen that do not leave white cast. Choose sunscreen that do not leave white cast. There are a lot of sunscreens in the market. I'm not going to mention brands. There are a lot of sunscreen in the market that leaves white cast. So try and go for a chemical or mineral sunscreen that do not leave white cast. The fifth and then the last common mistake is expecting overnight results. You know you've been using organic products. I know you're going to have that at the back of your mind, that your product used to work fast. If I use these products, I'm supposed to see results in 2 days. I'm supposed to see results in 2 nights. No. Skincare is not magic, neither is science, because skincare is science. So science is not magic. So you are going to do what? Have patience with your skincare products. Skincare is science, and science takes what? Time. So your skin concern, we have skin texture, your skin pores are looking perforated, or you have a rough skin, you have hyperpigmentation. None of those things happen overnight, right? Do not expect your skincare products to just work overnight for you. So you have to exercise patience with it. So how are we going to fix this overnight result thing? When you are using healthy skincare products needs patience. So if you're not consistent with it, you're not going to be seeing the result that you desire to have. Please try to be consistent with your skincare products and give it for at least 4 to 6 weeks, and you see a good progress. Then 2, track your skin concern with pictures. Yes. If you are treating hyperpigmentation, please snap the area of your skin that you have this hyperpigmentation before you start using the products you purchase, so that you can see if the result is coming as I warned you, or the product is not just working at all. Another thing is to do was celebrate your small progress. Some of us just have this, and you're aiming for this in 2 weeks. No. I want to encourage us to learn to celebrate our little small progress. So guys, here you have the 5 common mistakes that might be holding you back in your skincare journey. If you have made any of these mistakes, don't worry. We've all been there. And the good news now is you know better. Like this video if it has been of help to you, and also share with someone who is trying to glow in the right way. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.